love Ottawa. I have a lot of freedom. I can go anywhere I want. My name is Daniel Pesino. I'm 41. I love Ottawa because it's a big city, so I can bus everywhere too. I take the bus to work. I work at the bakery, and I've been there for 8 years. My girlfriend is Laura. She's a person with a disability also, but she also has Down syndrome, like same as I do. She knows how to bus herself too, so we can bus together, drink together, and bring her back safely on time.
Initially, when Daniel moved to Ottawa, he lived with me and my family for about 7 years. So he was sort of dependent on me to sort of help him to plan his voyages and his trips.
Daniel's sister first contacted me 10 or more years ago when Daniel moved here from a smaller community. She took on some responsibility when his parents were aging. He came here not knowing anybody, not having any type of a social circle. We introduced him to travel training and taught him how to take transit. The travel training program pairs people with disabilities with professionals in our community who then teach them how to take transit, and it just enhanced his life.
And it got to the point, you know, with the travel training program that he no longer needed me to help him to sort of know when to leave the house and where to catch the bus and where to make the connection. He was able to do all of that on his own. And so that makes us really happy, and I know it makes him really happy too. Growing up, Daniel and I were really fortunate. My mom poured her heart and soul into ensuring that Daniel had, you know, the best of everything, and she really advocated a lot for Daniel and really wanted him to be able to do what any other child would want.
I was very close to my mother. I was a mama's boy, so that was close, very close. My mother passed away since Family Day Monday, 2022. I was a bit of Terry, you know, talk about mom. That's all. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
Having a mom moment?
Yes, a mom moment again.
All the time. Come here. I didn't hear your whole interview, but it sounded good, what I did hear.
Thank you.
You know what? She'd be so proud of you. Sitting here.
Thank you.
Telling your story. Right?
Yeah.
She'd be super proud of you. You did great. Okay? Okay.
Thank you. I love it here. Give me more independence so I can go to places like far from here. Canada and Little Italy, downtown and the market. And I know we'd love to go meet up with my friends. It's a party central.
And if it wasn't for the travel training program, he wouldn't have the independence that he has today. So it's really opened up, you know, his entire world.
Even after a few years, he was able to move into his own apartment, independent of his sister. And now he's free to just travel the community.
I just hop on the bus and I know where to go.